If you know what label shape you need for your object but don't know what size, our printable size guides can help. We have 4 different guides: rectangles, squares, circles, and ovals, featuring our most popular sizes for each shape. After you print out the guide, cut the sizes you think will look best for your object. You can either hold them up to your object or tape them down to see which is the best fit. Once you figure out what size you need, you can reference the product number on each shape and type either that or the size into the search bar of our site. And that's how you use our printable size guides to find the best label fit for your project. To get started, visit onlinelabels.com/ruler to download the PDF and check out our printable ruler while you're there.